What's going on, beautiful people? This is Max coming to you from the Majestic Lifestyle Coaching Channel, a place where we discuss tips and tricks towards character building on your way to living out your dreams, and also social media, focused mostly on Instagram and YouTube. Today's title is You Never Know Who's Supporting You from Afar. I just want to send a word of encouragement to you because I know how it is when you're trying to build something new and how lonely it can be. I'm just going to go ahead and give you this little story about this channel here, the Majestic Lifestyle Coaching Channel, or MLC for short. So, as you all know, I started at the start of, I believe it was January 2020, right? Before the pandemic. We're doing it, and then the pandemic hit, I kept going, and then halfway through the year, it was like, yeah, I just need some breaks, okay? So, I took a break, and I tried to come back to the time. It didn't work out, but boom, just like that, I'm back. Your man is back. So in the meantime, I got a couple of phone calls from time to time from some friends that were like, Max, what's going on? I haven't seen your videos. What's going on with that? When are you gonna be posting again? When are you getting back on YouTube? And I'll tell you, every time that I had those friends call me up, or two friends specifically, that was just a real booster, if you know what I'm saying. Oftentimes, oh, and by the way, we are on our way to push to 100 subscribers. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So hit the like button and subscribe, all right? Let's push to get to 100 subscribers. All right, cool. Yeah, oftentimes we feel like the reality is at the beginning when you're trying to do something new, you're gonna feel like most people are not gonna have a lot of support. You're not gonna have your family and close friends rooting for you. Like, you might have certain people around you, but most of the people around you are not gonna be pushing hard to support you. And you're gonna feel like, is it really worth it? Especially when you're doing YouTube. At first, if you're a regular person, right? Because if it's a star, a big name, or something that attracts people a lot, like crazy things, dangerous things, those can get instant numbers. But for most people, it's gonna be like a real crawl for a while before it really takes up. Don't forget, for example, I always tell people the story of Mr. Beast. I think he's the top YouTuber in the world. He went for 5 years flatlining, barely any views, until he found the right combination. Boom! Mr. Beast is all over the place. He even has restaurants now, right? Mr. Beast Burger. In that period of time, before it really takes off, it can get really frustrated. I can tell you, I've been through it. It's like, you're like, man, what's the point? Nobody cares. Nobody's really tuning in, this, that, and the third. But you know what? The reality is there are always a few people in the background somewhere back there who are rooting for you and hoping you make it. Some of them might not even reach out. Some of them might think, well, okay, maybe it didn't work out. He doesn't want to do it anymore. Some might reach out. But the thing is, you really never know. You don't know. So when you're feeling down, when you're going through it, remember, most people that built something out of nothing, they went through a period where at first they had to just encourage themselves, right? It's like that verse in the Bible. David encouraged himself in the Lord. You gotta be your own cheerleader sometimes, right? Because you're not always gonna get the phone call. You're not always gonna get these people that are like, yo, I'm rooting for you. I'm cheering you on. Yo, get back up. We need your videos. We need your product. We need your books. We need your speeches. Whatever the item may be, the service or the product you can provide, most people are not going to tell you that. But from afar, someone is looking at you and being inspired. Someone is looking at you and be like, man, if they could do it, I can do it as well. Someone is looking at you like, you know what? I wish I had the guts this person did. Because I've been in this hole for a long time and I can't get started. I'm sticking to the regular day in and day out. Someone's cheering for you. So just keep that in mind. Someone somewhere is hoping you win. And I'm gonna tell you, this whole channel is based on that. I love to see people win. I love to see people, listen, some people love to say, oh, people out there are lazy. No. For me, I believe a lot more people, if they had the right opportunity, would just crush it if they had the right opportunity. But sometimes it doesn't happen. So if no one tells you, I'm going to tell you, I am rooting for you. I hope you win. I hope you get up, you make it happen, and you go for it. All right, folks? Remember, someone is cheering you on. Someone wishes they could do what you're doing. Someone wants to see you succeed. That is the word for today. Just remember, focus focus on what you got to do. Someone's cheering you on. All right, folks? So this is today's word. This is the little advice that little nugget that I want to share for you today. Hopefully it inspires you to just keep going in spite of. All right, folks? So if you enjoy this today, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're not yet subscribed, I need you to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're working on. Let me know if there's something that you've been trying to do that you need some encouragement on, and we can talk if you want to. I can give you some little push here and there to help you get going. All right, folks. So until I see you next time, do me a favor, live your best life, live that majestic lifestyle.